Hello, Lynn. Good evening.
Hello, teacher.
Can you hear teacher?
Yeah.
Okay, how are you?
Good.
You're good. Did you eat your dinner already? Done eating?
No.
Not yet? Oh, so late. Okay. Now here, so Lynn, since teacher was absent yesterday, so today we'll be having a makeup class, okay? So with me, Lynn, I will be sharing to you the screen so we can start now with our activity this evening. Okay, so we are now here, Lynn, at unit 37. Can you see teacher's screen? Can you
Yes.
see my screen? Okay, what is unit 37 all about, Lynn?
Let's play.
Okay, so we have here fun for starters. We have unit 37. Let's play. Okay, so Lynn, I have here vocabulary words. What are the given words? We have
Both game.
board game. What else?
Doctors.
Hockey and
Tennis.
tennis. So we have board game, hockey, and tennis. All right. So here, Lynn, how about these three other words? We have
Basketball.
basketball. Next,
Table tennis.
table tennis and
Badminton.
badminton. You know, understand these words?
Yes.
Okay, good. Next, Lynn, how about this three more words? We have,
Bounce.
okay, bounce. Next,
Kick.
kick and
Draw.
throw. Okay, bounce, kick, and throw. You know, understand this?
Yes.
Okay. Next, another words we have
Hit.
hit. Next,
Cut.
catch and
Run.
run. Okay, hit, catch, and run. Now here we have here vocabulary word, no, grammar activity, Lynn. If we say good or bad at, if you use the good and bad at, you use these words plus the verb with ing. So Lynn, we use good at and bad at to describe our abilities. So if you are good at something, it means you did good, you can do great things about it. If you say bad at, you are not good about it. For example, Ross is good at geography. Monica is good at cooking. Okay. Next, we have Rachel is bad at speaking French. How about you, Lynn? What are you good at? Lynn, what are you good at? I am good
Lost.
at
I am used as
what?
I used as fence.
Okay. How about what are you bad at, Lynn? Means you're not so good about it. I am bad at
And as
is it bad at
and as Dragons.
okay,
Piano.
piano. All right, so here, Lynn, In reading and writing part 1, the 7 pictures are likely to come from different topic sets. So you might see, for example, an animal, a toy, an item, or clothing, a piece of furniture, something to eat, and means of transportation. Now, Lynn, I want you to look at the picture, put a tick or a cross inside the box if the picture and the sentence are correct. Okay, if they are the same, go. Done, Lynn.
This is a television. Check.
Louder, Lynn.
This is a television. Check. This is a road. Check. These are a checklist. Yes. These are a price. Check. This is a football. Yeah.
Okay. Lynn, I want you to review your answer. I'll give you 1 minute. After 1 minute, we will check your answer, okay? Go. Please review first your answer, whether you have correct answers or no. Please review. 1 minute. Okay, Lynn, are you now sure with your answers? Let's check or not. Lynn, I can't hear you, Lynn. Again, I cannot hear. Go.
This is a television.
Next.
Check. This is a golf. Check. This is a checklist. Cross. This are a price. Check. This is a football. Cross.
Okay, let's check now your answer. Number 1, this is a television. The answer is tick, correct. 2, this is a goat. Wrong, Lynn. Look at here, Lynn. It's not a goat, but it's a boat. Okay, boats and goats are not the same. 3. These are jackets, correct? It's not jackets. What's the answer, May? Lynn? It's not a jacket because it's a, what is it?
This is a t-shirt.
T-shirt. Next. 4. These are bikes. The answer is correct. Tick. And number 5, this is a football. It's tick. It's a football, Lynn. Look at here, Lynn. You got 3 correct answers and 2 mistakes. Careful, Lynn. I told you. The review. Okay, look at here. Oh, this is a boat. These are t-shirts and what? Now here, Lynn, what can you do with the ball? What? Okay, Lynn, here we go. I have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 words, Lynn. Write the missing letters A, E, I, O, U in these words, okay? There are 5-letter words. And then try to write what's the missing letter A, E, I, O, or U. Go. Okay, what are the given words, Lynn? Please read. Bounced it. Next. Catched it. Next.
This is
Hit it and
is
Again,
pick it,
kick it and
throw it,
throw it. Let's check. Bounce it, catch it, hit it, kick it, and throw it. Very good, Lynn. You did great. Okay, very, very good. Next, okay, Lynn. In which sport do we catch a ball? What are the sports, Lynn, that we use to catch a ball? What are the sports that we have to catch the ball? What are the sports that we need to catch a ball? Again?
a tennis,
Again?
a tennis,
Tennis. Do you need to catch the ball if in the in tennis? Catch a ball. Is tennis good for catching a ball? Other sports, Lynn. What are some sports that we need to catch a ball?
basketball,
Basketball, correct. Now here, Lynn, which sport do we throw off? Here, Lynn, I'll give you time. Lynn, can you write the answer here? Can you write the answer so you'll have time to think so that you will be given time to think? Go. Write basketball in number 1.
Tennis.
Okay, which sport do we throw a ball?
Volleyball.
Volleyball. In which sports do we kick a ball?
Football.
Okay, which sport do we hit the ball?
Tennis.
Tennis. Which sport do we bounce the ball?
Football.
Okay, now look at here, Lynn. Here in the throw a ball, we don't throw the volleyball. Okay, we just hit it with our hand. All right, you are not allowed to hold it and throw it. Instead, you are asked to hit it with your hand or with your arms. Now here, also in the water polo, yeah, you can bounce it in the water. Okay, good. Now, Lynn, enter again to the Zoom class, Lynn.